Okay guys, just fully shut it down before you do anything with the laptop. Remove all the screw using your Phillips screwdriver. Okay guys, so you can either power it out all around it, but the way I do it, I put my finger like that and I just pull out this bit over here that touches the back cover. So I just do that. It gives me a bit of a crack, and just that. Okay, just careful this connection. It seems that it's already been banged up already. Gently lift it up like that. Move the screen. You need to disconnect this, the cables for the Wi-Fi, and then I'll show you how to do it properly with the hinges. Okay, so just connect this cable, get your plastic spudger, and
careful with these cables, because the accidents when they do snap it, and they do easily get snapped. Okay, so that's out of the way. I think this is for the webcam. Wiggle it from
side to side. That comes off, and then we need to do the Wi-Fi.
Okay guys, so careful with these cables because they do, if you snap this ahead of the cable, then you're done for. Okay.
Okay, so to easily remove the hinge, what I'm going to do is that open it up all the way, put something underneath the screen so you don't damage it that way. Now when we open these hinges, you can just lift it up because it'll be nightmare to open it. Okay, just now lift it up like that. Simple as that.